Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's been a minute. I have been working on tons of things. I've started real estate school. I am working for a local brokerage right now already. So I've been really busy doing that stuff, trying to get my life in order. I've got some mods. I've got tons of mods actually sitting in the basement and trying to get things going again with the channel. So today will just be a quick little install and show and tell. I am going to be planning a 1,000 subscriber giveaway once we get there. We're pretty close to 900. So once we get to 1,000, I'll be doing some giveaways. Got some stuff from SoundSkins coming up. I got a ProClip mount for your Cobb access port and some other goodies, maybe some emblems and stuff like that. So yeah, let's jump into this video, guys. Let's get started. Okay, full disclosure. I picked this stuff up at Subispeed. All right, so what we have here is a dash trim kit that been wanting to get. I want to get rid of the carbon fiber look. So this is piano black with this aluminum kind of look to it, or just silver if you want to call it that. I think it's going to look a lot cleaner than the carbon in my opinion. They make this in a red. Which also looks pretty awesome, but I'm just more of a fan of the silver. And I've got some other interior mods coming up in the next video, and you guys are gonna love those, but this is just to kickstart some of that piano black. This is the other side. Pretty clean. So the next thing that's gonna go along with this are the piano black AC knobs. They're all just AC knobs. You just gotta pop those out and put them in. But yeah, I've got all those down here. Sweet, so next item on the list here, contacted ProClips. These guys make amazing stuff. Let's see what they sent us here. This is the new 2018 A-frame ProClip mount. And as you see, it just kind of mounts there on the A-pillar. Item number you guys are gonna need, I'll post that link down below. And I am gonna be giving one of these away in my 1,000 subscriber contest that I'll be having soon. So, got the ProClip mounts. Oh, this is sweet. Looks like they hooked it up with some stickers and t-shirts. This is freaking rad. Thank you guys so much, ProClips. You guys are freaking awesome. I love seeing excellent customer service like this. This is really what keeps people coming back, and you guys have an awesome product. This is so cool. I'm going to be sharing this with my followers and subscribers. Thank you so much. And the final mod, this is one I've been looking forward to for a while. I'm going to try to squeeze all these mods into one video, or not, we'll see. Again, pick this up from Subi. Thank you guys. You guys are always super quick on delivering your stuff and getting it out to us on time, and you got the Laffy Taffy. Woo! So this is parent shift stop, and I have the short throw STI shifter, so I need, or you will need, the 2015 to 17 if you have the same shifter package as me in your 2018. Awesome packaging. It's all in there, ready to go. And I believe you'll need a 7mm wrench, which I've got one on deck. Oh, one last thing to include in this. I do not know how to say this, and I haven't looked it up yet. It just goes by Magic Mount or Soshi, whatever. They got an awesome product though. These are just magnetic mounts, and I'm going to be using these for the ProClip because the back of the access port is magnetics. So I just wanted it all to be perfect and mount up with ease. All right, so first thing, just kind of watching some people do this. I just got pop clip. And yeah, first piece is off. That wasn't too bad. Pretty easy. So we got the new piece here. Just get it in there. All right, let's do the other side real quick, and then we'll clean it up and take a good look at it all. All right, guys, as you can see, I just had my access port dangling here. Used to stick to this piece right here with 3M. I cannot wait to get the ProClip mount. It's gonna look dope. Let's try this side. All right, there it is, not bad. Came right out. Let's get the other one in. So again, this is super easy. I may end up loosening this anyways to reroute this wire here in just a minute, but this is just gonna pop in right there. And that's it. Okay, so we're gonna do the knobs next. I'm just using pry bar still. And from the top, I believe, pops out. Cool, so we got all those off. Next tricky thing here will be these guys. Okay, so here's what you're looking at when you get these pieces out. There's 3 little clip pieces. And the best method for that is a flathead screwdriver, a really small one. But look how clean that's gonna look. It's gonna really match with the dash. And yeah, I've had my car legit probably like 9 or 10 months and I still have the plastic on it. If you just pull forward, the whole button comes out and you'll see the LED assembly inside there. And this is gonna make it easier to get into these tabs, so you know you could do things without breaking them and just do it properly. So there's that. Pull out the next one. And that's how you do it correctly. So just grab your piano black piece. So after you clip it in, I'm going to start with the top. Just push it in. Get the bottom. Get your ring. There it is. Look how clean it is. Piano black is definitely an improvement over the flat black. Looks super clean. So I'm going to continue on and finish this up real quick. And there we have it, guys. All piano black AC knobs are in. Climate control. Let's move on to the mount. I want to mount the ProClip up here on this. I need to reroute my wire, so I'm going to move this stuff out of the way. So you pop that door up first. Loosen that one nut. And then this assembly's loose. I put a pop clip under here. And I'm just trying to be real gentle. Let's pop this out. And then I'm gonna try to route this through here. Oh, success. And hopefully that gives me enough slack. You can't close it, and I might actually have to cut a hole. Might actually have to cut a hole like right here or something, just make a small notch so that this cable can lay right here with this coming through. Here's what I'm gonna try. I just made like a little flap. Run the cord through there again, close it up. Sweet, so it's in. I might have to mess with some of my slack on the bottom to get a little more out, but we're good to go. Just mocked up the ProClip mount. It just clips right in. You can slide it more up, more down. I kind of think I want mine more down. And then the next thing, this is the magic mount. and you have your access port. It's just magnetic, so it's going to clip right together like that. And we'll stick that to there and be good to go. Right on, so it's all looking real good. I'm going to kind of stop the video short right now. I'm kind of running out of some time. My cousin's coming to visit me this weekend and I got to get my house ready. So I'm going to go do some cleaning up. I'll do the shifter stop tomorrow. There'll be another video. It's not the shifter stop, sorry. Is it the shift stop? Yeah. Yeah, I'll do the shift stop tomorrow, the paired one. And I'm going to let you guys take a look at this piano black. I think it's killer. So yeah, pretty stoked, guys. I am going to be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I've got some, like I said, I'm going to be giving away some really cool prizes. Stay tuned. Check out my Instagram if you want to be a part of that to enter and, you know, win those prizes. So I'm going to be having ProClip stuff, SoundSkin stuff, maybe some pairing and some other like emblem and WRX emblem kind of stuff going on. I just want to, you know, give back to the community. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. And yeah, let's hit 1,000 subs. Let's get up there and we'll be giving away some awesome prizes. Thanks so much for joining. Please subscribe down below, help support me, and like, comment away. I will shoot back at you guys as soon as I can. I hope you have a marvelous week. Let's catch up soon, guys. Peace out.
Check your body, check your body. Let's not sleep together. You can't sleep when I do. Let's not sleep together. You can't sleep when I do. Let's not sleep together. Check your body. Check your body. Check your body. Check your body.